guys, Melissa here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this weave here. I'm not sure what it is called, but what I like about it is it's the same on the front as it is on the back. See that? So if you want to see how I did this weave, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so I'm in the process of practicing this weave. I want to do this same weave in sterling silver for next week's video. The bracelet I'll show you next week is a design by a friend of mine from the Rock Club who is also a wire wrapper, and he's been doing it for many years. All his wire wraps are really clean and precise. I really admire his work. He made a bracelet that incorporated this weave in it. I'm not sure what it's called. I figured while I'm practicing I'll do a quick video on how to do this weave in preparation for next week's. I am using 6 wires. They're 20 gauge. I just happened to cut myself 6 inches of it. This is what I do at the ends so I can keep track. The bottom 3 point down while the upper 3 point up, and it just keeps my wires better organized. My weaving wire here is 28 gauge, and I started it off on the bottom wire, wrapping 2 or 3 times around to get started. So I'm going to number the wires 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, starting from the bottom. So when you first start off, you're going to go up and around 1 and 2. You're going to come down and come out between 1 and 2. And you're going to go up and over around 2 and 3, go down the back and come up around in between 2 and 3. Then you're going to go up around 3 and 4, and then you're going to come out in between 3 and 4. You're going to go up around 4 and 5, and you're going to come out between 4 and 5. Going to go up around 5 and 6, and you're going to come down in between 5 and 6, and then you're going to go around the 6th one once. I like guitar picks, and I smoosh that all together. Make sure you check the back. Make sure you didn't make any mistakes there. Alright, and to come down the back, you already went around number 6 once. You're going to come down, you're going to come out between 4 and 5 and go up around number 5. You're going to go down again and come out between 3 and 4. And you're going to come up around number 4. You're going to go down. You're going to come out between 2 and 3. You're going to go up around 3. You're going to go down. You're going to come out between 1 and 2. You're going to go up around number 2. Down, up around number 1. Alright, you're going to give that row a smush, and that's the whole pattern, and then you just repeat. See how easy it is for me to figure out where I'm going? Up above 1 and 2, in between 1 and 2, up above 3 and 4. And give everybody a smush. Make sure you keep checking the back. Make sure everybody's good back there as they are in the front. This weave is very versatile. You can use it for whatever you think of. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll hopefully have that bracelet finished by next week, so make sure you don't miss that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.